Welcome to the Music Eyes tutorial. In the next 5 minutes, we'll be showing you how to make a music animation from start to finish and turn this into this. Each note you hear is represented by a shape on the left. The notes are grouped into different instrument tracks, which we can animate one by one. Let's start by picking a different color and shape for each of the tracks. You can use the standard color palette, choose from different color combinations, or mix in your own colors. Try and pick colors and shapes that match how the music sounds. In this example, we might want to use bright colors since the music is cheerful, and more edgy, pointy shapes since the notes are quick. Right now the shapes are always visible, even before they're played and after they're played. If we want them to be more of a surprise, we can change the visibility to color in. Or, if we want to show what's coming up ahead, we can try something like hollow. Using different visibilities will help make your animation more interesting. Let's say we want to change the colors and shapes later on, because the music changes. To do that, move the animation to where you want the change to happen, then add a new instruction. Whatever colors and shapes we choose here will be used until the end of the animation, or until another instruction is added. Click on an instrument name in the top left to quickly show or hide different tracks. An even quicker way is to press the corresponding number keys. In this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can also change the volume of each instrument individually, which is a great way to hear things you might not have noticed. You can turn on interactive camera mode to move around the 3D world of the animation. Use the last drop-down on the right to give the animation a sense of depth by arranging tracks closer to the front or further in the back. Alright, let's switch to the Triggers tab. This is where we can really change the look and feel of the animation. First, let's add some color to the background. It's as easy as inserting a trigger and choosing the color you want. There, that's much better. Triggers are a great way to show transitions in the music. For example, we can add another trigger when the orchestra stops playing, here, and change the background color to create a different mood. This transition would also be a good place to shift the camera angle. Let's try looking up from below, since the violins sound like birds dancing in the sky. Using different transition speeds, the changes can be sudden or gradual once they're triggered. Remember, you can add multiple triggers at the same time like we just did, and you can use the same type of trigger more than once. Here's an example just for fun. Let's add some God rays from the orchestra. When the music changes, we can add another trigger to turn off the effect. Try out different triggers to see how they might fit your animation. Highlight an important instrument with note glow and note aura. Or set the stage with a snowy atmosphere and shimmering light. Make the animation flow with a faster scroll speed or a magnetic effect. Add surprise with background flashes. Okay, we're almost done. What about the phrasing tab? This lets you link together groups of notes that form a musical phrase, just like how you link together words to form a sentence and take a breath in between sentences. Where you start and end each phrase is a matter of interpretation. There's no right or wrong way. What story do you want to tell with your animation? Is it a memory or something you imagine? Perhaps you want to visualize a favorite poem. Insert moments into the animation to help tell that story. Whatever you type will show up on screen at the time you pick. If you see a button called Mark Sections in the bottom left corner, you can use it to automatically add a moment at the beginning of each section in the music, like a bookmark for each chapter in your story. That's it. I hope you have loads of fun animating. We can't wait to see what you create.